So okay, today we will do the MCQs of from this chapter. Then it will be finished. So let's see question number 1. The value of tan 30 upon cot 60. First question is the value of tan 30 upon cot 60 degree is option A 1 by root 2, option B 1 by root 3, and option C is root 3, option D is 1. So in this question we will see that complementary relations. We know that tan and cot are complementary and the sum is coming 90, so it means the answer will be 1, because in the previous exercises we have done this. How we have done, we will change this into the complementary angles, then the same term will come, they will cancel out, so the answer is directly 1. So the simple trick is that whenever their complementary angles are there and the sum is coming 90, so the answer will be 1. So like this, I am telling again this sin, cos, tan, and this is cosec, sec, and this is cot. So these two are complementary relations, sin and cos. So sin 90 minus theta is cos, cos 90 minus theta is sin. Like this, these two are complementary relations and these are. Okay. So the simple thing, whenever the complementary relations are there and the sum is coming 90, so the answer will be 1. And how we have done this, see the solution of this. We can change any one. This is 10, so we can write this 90 minus 60. Okay, and this is your cot 60, so we can change any one value. And 90 minus 60, because this is 30, so 90 minus 60 equals to 30. Now we are changing the value. 90 minus 60 is cot 60, because tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, so it is cot 60, cot 60. These two will cancel out, so the answer is 1. So these type of questions, there is a simple technique that you have to see that these are the complementary relations and the sum is 90, so directly they will cancel out. Okay, according to that we have to solve the question. And now see question number 2. The value of sin 45 plus cos 45 is, the value of sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree is option A 1 by root 2. So like this, root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This is root 2. C is root 3 by 2 and D is 1. So what we will do here, so this is not showing any complementary, like this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. So but the answer is given in this form. So here we cannot do this according to these laws, these rules. So what actually we will do, we just only write the values of these, okay, with the help of the triangle that I told you, and just only add that. So if you remember that, that is fine. Otherwise, you know this triangle for 45, both are 45. Okay, so this is 1, and this will come root 2. So for sine and cos at 45 degree, both are same. So sine p upon h 1 by root 2 and cos p upon h 1 by root 2. So both are 1 by root 2. So we can solve this. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Okay, so the LCM will be root 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2 by root 2. So now this option is not there. So it means what? Whenever there is a irrational number in the denominator, so we have to rationalize that. So for this, what we will do? Root 2, we can multiply it by root 2 and root 2, right? Okay, so this is 2 root 2 and root 2 into root 2 will be 2. So this is cancel out. So the answer is only root 2. So B option is correct. Whenever these standard values are there, standard theta are there, so then we have to put the values only. So I told you the method, like the table you are having, and the one method of calculating from the hand, and the third one is this, drawing these standard angles. Okay, so by any of the method you can find these values. So now see question number 3. Question number 3, the value of tan square 30 minus 4 sin square 45 is. Question number 3, the value of tan square 30 and minus 4 sin square 45, minus 4 sin square 45. Okay, options are there, that is 1, 7 by 3, 5 by 3, this is 1, B is 7 by 3 and C is minus 5 by 3, is minus, and the option D is minus 11 by 3, minus 11 by 3. So simple question is there. Okay, standard theta are there 30 and 45, then we have to find the value. So sin 45 we have directly found 1 by root 2. And what is tan 30? What is tan 30? P upon B for root 3 by only root 3. So sorry, tan 30, you can see this. This is 30, 60, 1, root 3 and this is 2. So tan 30 P upon 1 by 2. P upon B, 1 by root 3, no? So this is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square minus 4 and sin 45 is 1 by root 3 root 2 whole square. Okay. So this will be 1 by 3 minus root 2 square is 2. So this is 4 into 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 3 minus 2. So 1 is there, we can take LCM 3. So 1 minus 2 3 is 6. So this is minus 5 by 3. Okay, so C option is correct. So this is the answer only. Here also only just we have directly put the values of standard angles. So for that sometimes we have confusion. So that's why we can draw triangle and we can see the values. Okay, now see question number 4.